Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I haven't even tried this yet. Somebody watched my video on getting dots even, and he said, how can you make the star bigger but have the same amount of dots? So let's make a duplicate of this drawing. And first, let's just do it on this size star. We're going to go with 48, which is the magical number to get 50. And then we're going to go to new path and put it on the path, blend along full path and apply, and you can see all the stars are equal. I really think, well, he wants the dots to be the same, so if you do this, the dots get bigger. So to do it with the dots the same size, just make your star bigger, then blend these at the same 48, new path. So you can't really do it afterwards because of the fact that it's going to stretch out the dots. But this way you've got the same amount of dots. They're all, and this even shows it off much better that every dot is on the starting point and every dot is pretty much equal. I hope that answered this question, and thank you for watching.